Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use styles in Microsoft Word. Styles are a great way to format the look and feel of your document. It makes easy to insert table of contents automatically without doing any manual laborious work. Before jumping into the video, if you find this video useful, do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This really means a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get down to the business. So over here you can see I have a list of different things like vegetables, fruits, cereals, etc. Now if you click on Home tab, right over here you can see in the styles we have different options like heading 1, heading 2, title, etc. So this particular group styles actually has different heading styles. Now let me show you how we can apply styles to format our document. Let me highlight the vegetables. Now hold Ctrl or Command key and highlight the other headings as well like this. Now head over to the style group and click on heading 1. And there we go. You can see this heading 1 style gets applied in our document. Now let's imagine a lengthy and an extensive Word document consisting of a lot of tables, figures, and lists like these. After applying one particular style to your document, it pops in your mind that the style you have applied should have different formatting styles. Now, going back and forth into the document and doing all these changes would require a hell lot of time. But with styles, you can do it without any hassle. Let me show you. For example, we don't want to have this blue color applied to these headings. So what we can do, simply go to heading 1, right click, go to modify, and right over here you can see we have these options like formatting the font size, making it bold, italic, underline, and even changing the font color as well. And right over here in format option we can also change paragraph, border, and language as well. Let me change the font to Times New Roman, and let's apply this dark red color to the fonts. Now click on OK, and there you go. You can see the changes gets applied to the document in one go. Alongside styles over here in design tab, you can see we have different kind of themes option as well. They can also be used to format our document. Let me click on this little arrow and click on this particular shaded style set, and there you go. Now we have shading gets applied to our headings in our document. And similarly on the far left we have themes option. You can go into the document to see what kind of theme suits best to your kind of document. Let me click on this gallery, and there we go. Similarly, in the color group, we have also these colors options as well. And right at the bottom, we can customize our colors as well. In the font groups, you can choose whatever font looks best for your document. Let me click on this Rockwell Extra. You can see the changes gets applied to the whole of document in just single go. Let me go back to the document to change the style again like this without any shading. After applying styles to our document, it becomes easier for us to insert table of contents into our document. Let me show you. Let me make some space for table of contents. Let's put our cursor right over here. Head over to the references, and on the extreme left you can see we have this option table of contents. Here you can see we have some built-in table of contents like this, but if you want to have your custom table of contents, the option is also there as well. For the moment, let me apply this built-in table of content to my document. Click over here, and voila, you can see the table of content gets created immediately. If you want to have table of contents customized as per your school requirement or university requirement, you can go right over here, click on custom table of contents, and you can see if you have the options like heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. You can choose a tab leader from here. You can also choose these options like classic, distinct, attractive, fancy and modern right from here. They are pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm not going into its detail. I would stick with the one that I have already inserted over here. Now one more thing that I want to show you is to navigate through the document with the help of these styles and table of contents. Let me click on View tab, and right over here we have this option Navigation pane. Click over here and there you go. Now you can see we have this option vegetables, fruits, cereal, grasses and trees as a heading right over here. If you click on any one of these, you would be immediately taken to that particular section in your document. Let me click on cereals and there we are. Grasses, fruits, and there we go. So that is it for today's video. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.